Here we will write a Python program to find magnitude of a number using function. So in comment line first we will write. So first we will define function find magnitude with one parameter. Then we will define one integer variable which is initialized with 0 and we will use while loop. So while n greater than 0, we will increase the answer. So answer equal to answer plus 1. And we will remove last digit from the number. So n equal to n lower division 10. And outside the while loop, we will return answer. Then we will accept the number from the user. So n equal to in input enter number and we will call the function find magnitude. Since the function is returning value, we will call it in print statement. So print magnitude of number comma n comma equal to, we will call the function find magnitude and we'll pass n as a parameter. And we execute this. I will enter the number 3456. It will print magnitude of number 3456 is 4.